Hello everybody, this is Dr. Gita Mathai and this is my Health Vibes channel. Today we are going to talk about keeping pets and the diseases that they transmit. India has a very large dog population. Some are pedigreed animals who are bought for large sums of money and kept in the house. Others are strays which are found on the road, and still others are crossbreeds which friends gift to each other. Now, it is good that we keep dogs. Dogs teach children, pets teach children responsibility. Pets prevent older people from being lonely, and definitely they protect us against thieves. But with keeping a pet comes a certain amount of responsibility. Dogs can carry a lot of diseases like leptospirosis, salmonellosis. They can have ticks on their body. These ticks can crawl onto our body and sometimes even crawl into our ears. Now, of all the diseases that the dogs transmit, the most dangerous one is rabies. This is a virus infection and there is no cure. Once you have got rabies, it is a death sentence and you are going to die. You get rabies if a dog which has rabies either bites you or licks you on an open wound or licks any mucosal surface. Now, since the incubation period can vary from 4 days to several years, sometimes the original bite may have been forgotten. This rabies virus attacks the nerves and finally the person cannot swallow or breathe and the person dies. Rabies is a very preventable disease. If you are keeping a dog, it should be immunized by the time it is 90 days old with 1 to 4 doses of rabies vaccine. This vaccine is available free in the government veterinary hospitals. But the real danger of rabies is that a dog that can become a carrier of rabies, especially a mother dog which gives birth to children, the children and the mother can carry rabies and they can be totally asymptomatic. They do not exhibit the violent behavior which is so typical of rabies. They may be silent and they may still transmit the disease. If you are keeping a pet dog in your house, please take pre-exposure prophylaxis. This is 3 or 4 injections at certain intervals, and the intervals are given in the card inside the immunization box. Any doctor will follow the immunization schedule and immunize you. You and your family need to be immunized. And if you are bitten after you're immunized, you only need a booster dose. We are responsible for our pets, and now the government has said that licensing is also essential. But if you are keeping a pet in your house, please put up a sign outside saying that there is a dog in this house and please be careful. Also, if you are taking the dog out of your house for a walk, please make sure that it is leashed and muzzled. You may think that the dog is your pet and is very docile and won't do anything to anybody, but dogs are animals and all animals can revert to wild behavior if they are provoked. Even if it is your own dog and you are feeding it and you suddenly take the food away from the dog, it can get very angry and it can attack you. Also, dogs that are kept tied up and leashed all day in the house tend to become violent and aggressive. If you have a male dog, please remember that unless you're planning to have the dog breed and have children and puppies which you're planning to dispose of and sell, male dogs need to be neutered. This reduces their aggression and their aggressive behavior. People who keep cats must remember that cats are very similar to dogs, and cats can also carry rabies. Since cats are never tied up and they roam free and they roam outside the house, they can bring the rabies to your house and transmit to you with a bite or a scratch without your realizing it. If you keep a pet, please remember that you have a certain amount of responsibility to yourselves, to society, and particularly to children who are usually the first ones to be attacked by these animals. If you have been bitten, please wash the wound with soap and water and then leave it open. Do not close the wound. Please go immediately to a physician and take post-exposure prophylactic vaccine. Also, if antibiotics are prescribed, please complete the course of immunization and antibiotics. Don't stop just because you feel better. Immunize yourself, immunize your dogs, Stay healthy, stay happy, keep pets, but look after them well. Thank you. This is Dr. Gita Mathai signing off. This is my Health Vibes channel. If you liked what you heard, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. Thank you.